I don't know if you can see me or if this light is going straight into the camera, but most people build snowmen. We built a snow cave. Follow me. T, meet me in the middle. Oh, but there's a third exit. Oh yeah. How's it going?
Snow splunking. You're inside the snowbank.
There we go.
Hey, let me get you.
What if I... How's that for light?
That's good.
Entrance number 1.
We're out of the wind.
Actually, that's entrance number 3. Over here, this way is entrance number 2.
We gotta build a fire. Survive the night. This blizzard conditions. Survivor man
would be proud.
He would. Survivor Ford.
Ooh, that's soft over there.
It is. You gotta get easy. Here, stop this thing.
My turn.
Who's watching the plow?
I was on plow watch.
All right, I'm out.
Uh-oh. I could get in trouble for this. It's pretty sweet, huh? Let's go again. Let's go in this way.
It's great.
I'm coming out that way this time.
Oh boy.
We need to take down this hump in the middle. This is hard.
Look at the kitty in the window.
Kitty in the window. Meow.
That's freaking awesome.
Snow
It's
cave.
so funny looking when you look through there and you can see all the way through.